Hey guys, Christina Lane here from dessertfor2.com. Today we're making another dinner for two recipe. We're making a grilled vegetable pasta salad using Orzo pasta. My mom makes a version of this recipe that she serves alongside rotisserie chicken, but today I want to beef it up with a bunch of yummy summer grilled vegetables and feta cheese and make it a hearty main dish. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do for our grilled vegetable Orzo pasta salad is make our dressing. So it's lemon based. We're gonna grate the zest of one whole lemon into our serving bowl. I use a microplane for this. It helps me get just the surface of the lemon and nothing more. You don't want any of the white part from the lemon. Just a gentle scrape over the surface once. The zest of the lemon is really where the oils are. So we make this dressing ahead of time and let it soak, and the flavors of the lemon go into the olive oil. To this, you wanna add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we need a very generous pinch of salt. Say it's gonna be about a half teaspoon total. And then grate in some fresh black pepper. You can go heavy on this. I think this is what gives it so much flavor. So whisk this together. And as it sits, the lemon zest will begin to infuse the olive oil with its flavor. All right, now it's time to add our Orzo pasta to our boiling water. This is 1 cup of Orzo pasta. This will cook up into almost double its size, which is the perfect portion for two. Our pasta water is boiling. It has a big pinch of salt in it. So I'm gonna add the Orzo to the water. Give it a quick stir and let it come up back to a boil and cook it for about 10 minutes. Check the directions on your pasta box. This is my grill pan. I'm gonna preheat this, and this is how we're going to grill our veggies. You can absolutely use an outdoor grill. I think these grill pans are great though. They give you the nice grill marks that you want, and they're so much easier to clean. Now that our grill pan is preheating, let's chop our veggies. I have here a half of a red bell pepper, left over from some other dinner for two I was making, most likely. Take out the membrane, take out the little ribs and all of the seeds, and slice it into quarters, just 2. And then we also have a yellow squash from the garden. Just cut the top off and the bottom. And then try as best as you can to slice it completely in half. And this is a small zucchini. Cut both ends off and then do the same thing you did for the yellow squash. Cut it in half. A few slices of red onion. Just cut the end off and peel it. Let's do it in half too. You want the pretty rings on the grill. They look really pretty in the salad. Okay, let's take these veggies to the grill pan. Place them all. Ooh, they should sizzle. These have been grilling on the first side for about 5 minutes. It's time to flip them. You'll see the nice, pretty grill marks. Ooh. Give them about 5 minutes on the next side too, and it's time to drain our pasta. Right after you drain it, it's really important that it goes into the dressing immediately. The hot pasta will begin to soak up that lemon dressing. So give it a quick toss. Oh, you can already smell just the steam and heat of the pasta hitting the lemon zest. It already smells so lemony and peppery. Oh, it smells so good. What I like to do also, and this is entirely optional, is add a few little tomatoes. I don't grill these, obviously, because of their size, but I just think the sweetness of a cherry tomato is really welcome here. Just a handful. And toss them straight into that pasta. Give that a toss. I think it's time to pull our grilled veggies off of the pan. Okay, they're nice and caramelized with grill marks on both sides. Okay, we're gonna let them cool just for a second, and then we'll slice them up and add them to our pasta. I let the veggies cool for just a few minutes so they're cool enough to handle and slice. Just line them up. And slice them into about bite-sized pieces. They cut really easily because they're nice and tender from the grill pan. Okay, and then finally our bell peppers. I like to cut these into little strips. Okay, final touch, a little bit of feta cheese, and toss. The final touch on this pasta salad is fresh parsley. Fresh parsley and lemon love each other. It just makes the flavors bright and clean, and it goes great with all the grilled char flavors on the veggies. Okay, time for a taste. I want my bite to have a little feta, a little grilled onion, a little squash. You guys have to make this. This is the perfect, quintessential summer grilled vegetable orzo pasta salad. The lemon dressing goes so well with the char on the veggies. The feta, the lemon zest, the fresh parsley, all the flavors just play together so nicely here. For the full recipe, visit dessertfor2.com.